IB diploma, international baccalaureate, IB diploma, physics. Last session, we went through the course syllabus, which is introduction, measurements, and uncertainties, mechanics, thermophysics, wave, electricity, and magnetism, circular motion and gravitation, atomic, nuclear and particle physics, energy production, wave phenomena, fields, electromagnetic induction, quantum and nuclear physics, relativity, engineering physics, and imaging. Today, we will continue our session last week, and we start solving examples regarding or pertaining to motion along straight line. Now we will solve this example and explain the equation pertaining to this topic. Okay, worked example. Suppose that when mass fell 0.84 meter, the time was measured to be 0.42 seconds. Calculate its gravitational acceleration. So, the solution from solution. Using the equation we have explained yesterday, S equals ut plus half at squared, where S is the distance traveled, U is the initial velocity, T is the elapsed time, and A is the acceleration. Now, this one will be the gravitational acceleration. Why? Because the mass fell. So, when a mass falls like this to the ground, so the acceleration is actually the gravitational acceleration because it is under the effect of the gravitational acceleration. So this equation. Now, S is given, which is 0.84 meter equals U, because here it is just fell down. So there is no velocity or there is no speed given to this particle. So this one is 0 multiplied by T. Or T is also given, it is 0.42 seconds. So it is 0.42 seconds plus half A, it is the gravitation. It is either A or put G, it is the same, multiplied by 0.42 squared. Okay, now this is, to simplify, 0.84 equals 0 multiplied 0.42, it is 0 plus. This one is half multiplied by 0.42 squared A. So from this equation, we can conclude that acceleration is this one. It is 0.84 divided by half 0.42 squared. So if you calculate this one, key in or plug in these values in your calculator, you will get that it is 9.5 meter per second. Sometimes in your book, it is written like this, ms to the minus 1. So S, instead of saying m over s, which is exactly the same as m over s, here, this one may be written in your book. It is also, your book uses this format as well. Okay, now I'll go to another topic